Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the warehouse. My name's Tyson and I'm here with Corry Kelahear, and he's the product manager from CCM, and he's here to talk with us about the CCM stick line. So Corry, how about you start us off with the Crazy Light and maybe give us what you guys were kind of designing this stick for?
Sure. Our Crazy Light stick is the lightest stick on the market. It's just over 400 grams, and that's an actual weight. So you could take this and weigh it. You'll get the same weight that's written on the stick. Now, when you talk about a stick, you can build a light stick, but you got to make sure it's durable. So the way we're able to build this stick and make it so much lighter is that we use carbon, the highest grade of carbon fiber. Okay. These are fibers that weren't available to everybody in the past. But with the downturn in aircraft and aerospace, we're able to get our hands on this now. So we're able to get higher end material, and we're able to put it into a hockey stick. So when you have higher end material, it's lighter and it's also stiffer. So we're able to build up the stick. And in terms of the technology in the stick, first of all, we have a very lightweight blade. The way this blade is made is through very, very thin layers of fibers, many layers and many different directions of the fibers. So it really gives it a lot of strength for very good durability, but it also has a foam core, so it has really strong, a really good puck feel, which is so important to the player.
Nice and soft.
And what makes the Crazy Light stick so special is what we have our hollow point technology. So what that is a true one-piece technology. So it's a constant wall thickness all the way through, and then you have the blade that is wrapped over the top. So it's all done as one piece, as opposed to a lot of the fused constructions out there. And what that gives you is an uninterrupted 24-inch taper. So it's a really easy loading stick, and you combine that with such a lightweight construction, that's really where the magic comes on the Crazy Light stick.
So what type of shot would you say is going to excel on the stick, or what type of player would you say is going to be more geared to this?
Well, I mean, we don't really say that it's a power stick or it's a precision stick. We just think it's a very easy stick to load. Okay. And this is really geared for the performance player who's looking for the lightest weight stick. So when you have such a lightweight stick, faster swing speed. So I would say it's for anybody really looking for the best stick, the best technology.
Is that all
out there.
around?
Yeah.
And then how about also touching on just the outer weave that you used on this guy?
Yeah, the CCM sticks, we see a lot of clear or grip sticks out there, but we just have one finish. It's a matte finish, and this is a finish from our pro players that a lot of them were requesting. So it's kind of a combination of the two. It gives you a nice grip, but it's not too sticky either at the same time. So either player won't be offended, and we've had some very good feedback on it.
Yeah, I definitely like the matted, and it's kind of a nice in between your traditional smooth and the grip coating sticks.
Yeah.
And then also you guys are using, as far as the weave though, on the first layer for the durability on it?
Yeah, we have what we call our 360-degree interlaced carbon fiber. So it's just the way that it's wrapped. It's fully wrapped around it to give it great impact protection throughout, and it's also, you can see it exposed throughout the design of the stick.
Definitely. And then I also understand that you guys, new this year, you brought in or incorporated kind of your Octogun stick into the U+ line.
Yeah. So when we looked at the Crazy Light and we were talking about the hollow point technology, on the Octogun, what we have in the hosel is what we called our 8-side power taper. So this technology is integrated into the stick. By having these 8 sides in the hosel area of the stick, what that does is it allows us to build a stick that has more vertical stiffness. So by having a stiffer stick like that, what it does is it improves precision of the shot. The way it does that is less torque, less twist. So you're going to be a little bit more accurate. Also, because of it, it creates a very low kick point on the stick because of that power taper.
So would you say it has a lower kick than maybe your more traditional sticks with the hollow?
Yes, yeah. It's
okay.
I mean, the kick point is a little bit lower because of this construction, and it's this stick here, it's a very easy stick to load. What I would recommend, where we really recommend these sticks, is for junior and youth players. We actually have an even slightly thinner version for them, and it's very easy for them to load their sticks, and we've been having a lot of success there. So really make sure that you junior and youth players, you check out that Octogun and give it a good flex, and you'll feel it right away, because it's so important for kids to be able to properly load the stick.
Yeah, definitely. And then also another kind of thing is, how is the Octogun profile holding up to like slashes and just kind of abuse like that during the game?
I mean, you do have 8 sides, so it's a slightly different construction, but I mean, it is tested like all of our other ones, and it meets all of our our strict durability tests to get past that. So just a different construction. I wouldn't say it's better or worse for
Okay, so you wouldn't necessarily say it's going to have a better durability than a traditional construction, or?
It's close. Like,
it's
I mean,
close.
it's, you know, it all depends on the materials and so on. We have it at different price points.
Yeah,
so.
Definitely.
Okay.
And then, so I mean, also keeping online with that, I noticed that you guys have kept, as far as the technology on these, moving down through the line.
So on the U Plus Pro, you'll have the same hollow point technology. Then you'll get down to the U Plus 07, which is more of a traditional fuse construction, but extremely lightweight at that price point, lighter than you know, a lot of the top end sticks in the market. Then you get to the 05 price point, that has the Octogun technology as well. So we've integrated both the Octogun technology and the hollow point technology within our line. So whatever price point you're looking for, we have a stick for you.
Great. Well, once again, guys, that was just a quick look at some of the new CCM sticks that are out. Once again, this is Corey with CCM, and my name's Tyson, and this is at Inline and Nice Warehouse.